Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain another use case of ChatGPT for data analyst, data engineer or software engineer. So simply like uh, what is the need of code understanding? First problem. It is hard to understand the complex code and function written by others or written long time before when we have to make any changes. Just example, 3 years before someone has written a code, and now I got chance to I got the requirement to modification of the code. So it's very hard to understand the code written by other. Like it's difficult to convert the code in human readable format. So there are many functions and other logics may be used in the code, and maybe the code was written in some previous version of any language. Just example, now we are using a latest version of Python, and the code was written in a previous version of Python, so some function may have changed. So in that case, what we have to do, like we have to understand the code, and then after understanding only we can modify the code. So how ChatGPT can help us to understand the code? So simply we have to pass the code to ChatGPT model will analyze the code and give explanation of code. So anyone can understand the code and can find the logic of code. See, this is the URL I used to understand my code, and I use the model ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. So simply in the system I just pass my code, and in a user prompt I given a sentence what I need, like explain the code in human readable format, and then ChatGPT assistant has given the answer. So you can see the my screen, and you can use this URL to understand any of the code. That's all about this use case. In another video I will cover this use case, like how to fix the error. Thank you.